Today we're going to be planning with the team, making sure the foundation work is planned. So right when we get the permit, the sequence is already built in. Our team can start and make sure we complete the project on time. We're at this future project of ours. We are planning extensively because a permit is right now getting issued with the City of San Jose. So we want to make sure that we're about a month out from our communication with the City of San Jose. We walk the space. Again, we look at all the foundation issues. This is a huge sign when you see cracks in the ceilings, when you see the levels of the flooring are not even, that means it's a huge foundation issue. So even though we haven't opened up the bottom and gone into the crawl space thoroughly, we know we're gonna be up against a huge challenge and getting the foundation fixed because this is a massive project. We're again converting the single story home to 2 stories. So it's important, and the contractor's due diligence to do thorough planning so that way the project doesn't get delayed midway through, and you have to think about the clients from their angle. They're renting a home for almost a year. So it's up to you as a builder, contractor, be empathetic, be understanding, and don't be money hungry. Like, you have to do the project in a timely, in a budget, so the clients can walk away happily. And after all, you're giving them a beautiful home and hopefully to exceed their expectations. And that's what the SOJO team strives for. We try to price our projects fair. Being in the Bay Area, there's crazy square feet numbers, but that's not what we do. We again try to be very realistic, and what really brings happiness to us is seeing that smile on our clients' faces when the project is done and giving them a seamless experience. I've had a nightmare of an experience before I got into construction and real estate, and that's when my wife and I decided we're gonna start this company, and we're gonna make sure that our clients don't feel like they are going blind or they're somewhere living in the black hole. We want to give as much as transparency as possible with planning, with permits, just our company processes all. So when you're looking for a team, make sure you communicate, you understand how they do things in their company, what kind of roles they have. In our team, we have project coordinators, we have project managers, we have a lot of subcontractors. And the benefit is when you have more subcontractors, you can actually focus on more projects. And as long as they're quality subcontractors, the projects move fast. A lot of times people might say there's an in-house team and all of that, but the projects actually take longer and the price point sometimes can be the same or a lot more. Whereas if you have a good builder and have those strong subcontract connections, things will move quick. And that's what we strive for. Initially, when we started, we were an in-house team. We realized we couldn't grow as fast. As soon as we got the subcontractors, the good quality ones, and we adjusted our pricing, now we're able to do 5 to 10, even more projects simultaneously to make sure that we can finish the projects on time. So again, my name is Jojo with the SOJO team. Please do follow us, like, subscribe. We are bringing a lot of cool content, and yeah.